Yeah. Okay, Jody. Come on. There's Finn. Come on. Austin. There's Artie chasing Jenna. Oops. Artie, what happened, buddy? He just woke up from a nap, so I don't know. Okay, there's Will to the right. And come here. Come here, puppies. Puppies. Come on. That's little Will. And there's Finn. Finn, come here. Finn has more of a curly coat. Good boy. Than like Will. But Puck is definitely, there's Puck. Hi, Puck. Jenna, will you pick Puck up and show Jody Puck?
Puck?
Yeah, pick Puck up.
Puck?
Right in front of you, right there. The black ribbon.
Hi, Puck.
Yeah, he has a nice curly coat. What do you think of Puck?
Me.
You like him?
Yeah.
No. Okay, thank you. Now will you pick up another one? I want you to pick up each one and show them to Jody. Oh, look at Finn wants you to pick them up. There is Will. Look at Finn wanting to be picked up. There's Will. Real dark red, but more sleep coated. Okay, put Will down.
And now for
Finn.
For you. Oh.
He's a big boy too, huh? Okay, turn him around so we can see his coat. See, there's some nice wave on there. Not as much as Puck. He's just, oh.
Ha. Oh. Oh. I already got you.
This little might get you. Okay, show me, come here, show me Finn. Jenna, come here. Turn around. You want to see the puppy. Oh, is he giving you kissies?
Oh goodness. Oh my goodness.
Put him down.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, go get me, let's see, Austin maybe? Right here, or Denver. They're getting food or something. Right here, Jenna. They're digging at the grass. There's Denver and Austin. Here, right here, Jenna. There you go. There's Austin. Oh, there's a big boy.
Oh, no. I'll pick you up in a minute.
Okay, want to pick up Denver?
Denver, it's you. Oh.
Austin's gonna get you still. Oh, come on, Denver. Oh man, come on, Jenna, get him. He's gonna kiss you. Look at that curly face. Oh, Denver, you are a little heart melter. Okay, go get Artie. We haven't seen Artie yet.
Where is he?
He's over there. Go get him. He's with the white toes. They're all eating the leftover food on the grass from lunch. Here's Artie.
Oh, Artie, I'll pay you down in a minute. Here, Mom.
What?
He wants to eat some food.
Well, he can wait. It's fine. Jody wants to see him. Artie.
Wait, that's Jody?
Yeah, this is for Jody. Can you say hi to Jody?
Hi, Jody. What can I see on him?
You can't see her through the camera, honey. She's just going to watch it. We'll put it on the computer and then she can watch it. Okay?
What can I see?
We play with the puppies.
Oh, no.
There's Finn again, wanting to be held.
Sorry. No, go and eat leftover food.
Oh, Finn, what'd you do? Huh?
Oh, ouch.
He fell over. You got an itch?
There you go, honey. Now it you up.
Hey, Denver, where have you been? Let's see if we can call him. Come on, puppies! See Denver. Come on. Puppies. There's Puck. Hi, buddy. Hi, Puck. Come on. Yes, and Finn tries to get up. And there's Denver. There's Puck. Does have that nice wave to his coat. Probably would say he's the waviest, Mr. Puck. Yes. Are you a nice boy? Huh? Come on. Puppies, come on. Attaboys. Attaboys. Oh, goodness sakes, Denver. Yes, good boy. That's a good boy, yes. Austin! Austin! He looks at me. What do you want? Leave me alone. Come on, Puck. Oh, good boy. Artie! Artie! Artie, come. Good boy. Good boys. And Denver. Oh, gosh. There's Austin on top playing with Pink Puck. Yeah, Puck. Puck and Austin playing. Mikey. Oh, Denver's gonna get him. See, they just kind of bowl these little tiny ones. Denver. Artie, what you doing? Huh? Now Denver, when I got up and moved, see, he was right underneath my legs. Now that boy's gonna pick on him. Hey! Stop it. Oops, sorry. What you doing, Puck? Huh? Artie on my shoes, Denver underneath me, Austin underneath me, and Mikey went potty and Finn's over there with him. Yeah, I think, you know, Mike might just be too sleek coated. I think you have a lot of other nice picks. I don't know if we want to eliminate him or not. Finn's getting wavy though.
Hey, hey, hey.
He's got the nice wave on his face and on his ears. Huh, buddy? Oh, you got an itch right there. Oh, you got an itch. I'll get it for you. Oh, you're a handsome boy, Puck. Oh my goodness. Wait another week. Wait another week. Watch out, girls. Haha, Puck. All right, Jody. Hope this helps a little bit. We'll talk soon. Bye.